foot. So you are on the toes of one foot and then you switch. You are just moving from one foot to the other foot. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you go with the hands. Inhale up, exhale. Now 2 on the toes, exhale down. 3 inhale, exhale. 5 inhale, exhale. 6 exhale. 7 down. 8 down. 9 down. 10 and down. 2 feet of gap. Go side to side. Inhale. Swing your arms up and change to the other side. Inhale to the right and to the left. Swing your arms. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Slowly come back and you go down and swing your arms again side to side. Right, left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And come back. Bring your right foot in front. Right foot in front. Open your arms, your chest, and come back. Take your left leg behind, left leg in front. Inhale, open your arms, head, chest, arch your back, and come back to the right side. Open, look up, arch your back, and back. Left side, inhale, and back. To the right, inhale, arch your back nicely. Interlock your fingers behind. Start raising your arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly come back. And take your both the arms at the shoulder level. Okay, do not drop them, stay here, and you go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Only the elbows are moving. So forearm muscles, only they are moving. Down, up, 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 down. Hold your elbows over your head. Go down, side to side, right, left, right, left, side to side, left, side, side, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Now taking your legs behind. So you are taking your left leg behind, raising the arms up, and other side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You are switching your legs behind. Now watch my hand. Taking the hands behind, like Gomukhasan. The legs are the same. Keep changing your arms. Raise your legs. One, two,